what if I will tell you that there is an AI tool that help you to create survey with the help of AI. You can generate questions with the help of this platform. As you can see, you can generate all the question options. You can generate images for AI image for any particular question if you want, and there are multiple question type like contact info, long answer, multiple choice, range, rating, and there are lots of things. As you can see, you can create any type of question. Next is that there is summary section where you can check how many people has participated in this survey. You will get summary, AI summary of overall responses. Suppose 200 people or 200 people has participated in your survey, then it is very difficult for you to check each and every response one by one. It will take a hell lot of time to understand what are the good and what are the bad thing about your service that people are liking and disliking. Okay, so what you can do, you can get a AI summary from here, where it will check all the response, overall response, and it will give you summary like what are the things people are loving, what are the things about your service or software people are hating. So you will get overall summary. And next is action item. Here you will get all the action item that you need to implement. Suppose in your survey many people said that they are not happy with your support and the quality of the content or quality of your software, whatever it is, then it will give you the suggestion here like what you need to improve based on these survey results. Okay, so as you can see, in my case support is not good, and also clarity and accessibility of course material is not good. So this is the action item that I should implement based on my survey result. Okay, and here is the result section. As you can see, in my case 3 people has participated in this survey and I had 5 questions, so I can check each answer. As you can see, I can check answers one by one if I want. Next one is share. Here I can copy this link, and if I will share this link with anyone, then they can participate in this survey. There is QR code, they can scan this QR code to participate in this survey, and also I can embed this code in my website so they can participate in this survey without leaving my website. And there is the theme. If I want to change the color, if I want to change the color of anything, then I can change it. I can change the theme to dark mode if I want, like this. So there are multiple options available. Also, let me show you one more thing. If you will go to result section, then suppose 500 people has participated here, then in this case suppose if you want to know that people are happy with your support or not, or you have any question in your mind based on the survey questions, then you can ask it here. As you can see, it is AI assistant. So let me ask a question here. Are people ready to recommend my course? Okay, so it will give me the answer of this particular question. It will check all the response and then it will give me answer. Here are the response for your course. 1 people said that yes, 1 people selected maybe, and 1 people selected no. So okay, so it is an overall neutral response, okay, we can say. So suppose 500 people has participated in this survey for the same question, then I can, if I will ask, then it will give answer like this, like 300 people said yes, 200 people said no, and 0 people said maybe, like this. So in this way you can analyze your survey result within a second. Okay, and also suppose if you want to convert the survey result into PowerPoint presentation, then you can write something like convert it to PowerPoint presentation, and it will generate PowerPoint presentation for you based on the survey answer. So these features are just amazing. Okay, so the tool name is SurveyNoodle and it is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. You can claim its lifetime deal for just $59. Okay, it means that you will pay $59 one time and you can use this software lifetime. So if you want to claim SurveyNoodle's lifetime deal, then link is in the video description. Definitely that's my affiliate link. So if you want to support my YouTube channel so that I can create more helpful videos like this, then please use the link given in the video description to purchase SurveyNoodle or any other AppSumo deal if you want. So in this way you can support my YouTube channel. So now let's start our review. We will check what are the good thing, bad thing, and we will discuss about its pricing, and I will give you detailed tutorial from start to end. Okay, so first let's understand what is SurveyNoodle. So SurveyNoodle is a tool that create intelligence customer survey and track user sentiment with the help of AI, and it is best alternative to SurveyMonkey and Typeform, and there is Google Sheets integration if you want. And I forgot to mention one thing, that price is $59 for next 3 days. As you can see, after 3 day pricing will be increased. Okay, so as you can see, limited time special pricing is starting at $59. Pricing increases on 7th October. It has clearly written here, as you can read it here. So pricing will increase after 7th October. So if you are watching this video after 7th October, then this pricing will be maybe $69, $79 or $89. I don't have any idea, but pricing will be increased after 7th October. So if you really want to use this tool, then grab it before 7th October. Okay, and also if you are watching this video on 4th October, then there is some good news for you. You are not only going to get this deal at a discounted price $59, but also you are going to get 10% additional discount because of AppSumo Taco Day. So AppSumo is currently celebrating Taco Day on 4th October 2024. If you are watching this video today on 4th October 2024, then you are going to get 10% additional discount on this pricing. All you need to do is just click on the link given in the video description, click on buy now button, and AppSumo will automatically apply 10% discount on your purchase if you are going to purchase it on 4th October 2024. Okay, so now let's discuss about SurveyNoodle's features. So first is that you can create unlimited survey and questions within SurveyNoodle. You can get AI survey creation. It means that you can create your survey with the help of AI, advanced conditional logic, custom ending, Noodle board chat with your response, which I already show you, like how you can use AI to get answer of all your questions based on your survey results. Okay, AI summary and action item, which I already discussed, QR code, vanity static link, and custom survey themes. Okay, you can also change the theme like the light mode, dark mode. So SurveyNoodle is currently available on AppSumo with 4 different pricing tiers. So tier 1 plan will cost you $59, and with this plan you can get 1000 monthly responses and there is only 1 user seat. Next is tier 2 plan, which will cost you $119. With this plan you can get 3000 monthly responses and 2 user seat. And tier 3 plan will cost you just $259. With this plan you can get 10,000 monthly responses. Now there is 3 user seat and automated sentiment analysis, custom QR code, dynamic content in ending, and custom domain. You can add your own custom domain in your survey URL if you want. And last one is tier 4 plan, which will cost you $569. With this plan you can get 30,000 monthly responses. There is 10 user seat, automated sentiment analysis, custom QR code, dynamic content in ending, and custom domain. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can create survey with the help of SurveyNoodle. So as you can see, you can create a new survey from the scratch, or you can use AI suggestions. So if you will click on suggestions, so it will give you some basic suggestions like what type of survey you want to create, like customer satisfaction survey, product development surveys, market research survey, employee engagement survey, feedback survey, learning preference survey, or event satisfaction survey, shopping experience survey, career development survey, or anything you want. And suppose if you want to create a new survey from scratch, then you can click on create new survey, and here you can add anything like customer satisfaction survey. Okay, whatever you will write in the description, based on it, it will generate your questions. So I have written a survey description here. In this survey, I want to know about my product quality, value for money, support, how likely they are ready to recommend our product to friends, and everything that comes under customer satisfaction. Okay, and you can select the number of questions from here. Suppose I have selected 5 questions. If I want to add 5 questions in this survey, then I can select 5. If you want to create 6, 7, 8, it is totally up to you. So suppose I want only 5 questions in this survey, so I have selected 5, and let me click on AI create button, and now AI will generate the questions based on my description and this title. Okay, so let's wait for some time and it will generate the survey questions for us. And so as you can see, within 5 to 6 seconds it has generated the 5 questions, and I did nothing from my end, and it has also added this choices from here. As you can see, how would you rate the overall quality of the product? 1 is the lowest quality and 10 is the highest quality. How would you rate the value for money of our product, and 1 is lowest value for money and 10 is highest value for money. Next one is how you rate the support you receive from us, and next how likely you recommend our product to friends and family, and what features do you value the most in our product. Okay, so suppose for this question, how would you rate the value for money of our product? If I want a multiple choice answer here, okay, not this type of range option, but I want here multiple choice answer. So what I can do, I can select multiple choice option from here, and it will look something like this. So as you can see, there is no option. I can click on add option and I can add my options manually, or I can click on suggest choice button and it will add all the options for me within a few seconds. As you can see, like how would you rate the value for money of our product? Excellent, good, average, fair, poor, very poor, or not sure. So as you can see, within a one click it has generated these options. And suppose I want to add one more question. So what I can do, I can click on plus icon and I can add the question manually, or I can click on this AI button to add the questions with the help of AI. So if I will click on plus, then I can add my questions myself. Okay, but for demo purpose I'm going to use AI to generate the question. So let me click on this button and it will generate the question for me. As you can see, generating the question, and it is showing how satisfied are you with your overall experience with our product. And here is the rating option, like 3 rating, 2 rating, 1 rating. They can give rating from here, like 1 rating, 2 rating, 3 rating. Okay, I hope you understood. And suppose for this particular question I want to generate an AI image that will appear above this question, then I can click on generate image from here, and here is advanced option. So if you want to give it a prompt like generate this type of image like this, then you can give prompt, but for demo purpose I am just clicking on generate image. You can specify which type of image if you want in this prompt section, but I am generating the image without any prompt. Okay, so as you can see, it has generated the exact image which match this question, like customer satisfaction. So spelling is not perfect, but it has generated the relevant image. Okay, so our questions are ready, right? All the questions. I hope you understand how you can generate the questions and choices. You can change the choice if you want to change it from rating to, let's say, short answer type field, then you can select short answer, but I am going to select rating here so that they can give rating easily. Okay, and after creating these questions, what you need to do, just click on the share button, and here you can copy this link and you can share it with your audience or anyone who has purchased your product. And here is the QR code. They can scan this QR code to participate in this survey. Okay, and there is third option, which is this code. Okay, you can embed this code on your site so that it will appear directly on your site, so that your users or customers don't have to leave your site to participate in this survey. Okay, you can also add a custom domain if you want. So it is showing like visit.surveynoodle.com like this. If you don't want this type of domain, and if you want a custom domain, then you can set up custom domain by clicking on this set custom domain option. So for now I'm going to copy this link and let me show you how it will look. So let me paste this link. So here is the live preview of our survey. So it will show our title here. You can change the description after generating this question by clicking on this info button. Just go to the info section and you can write something like participate in this survey, something like this. So it will not show something like this, I want to know about my product quality, all these things. So it is, we have written this description so that AI will understand what we exactly want, which type of question we want, but after that you can change it by going to your info section. Okay, so let me give you how it will look. How would you rate the overall quality of the product? Let me give lowest quality. How would you rate the value for money of our product? Very poor. How would you rate the support you receive from us? Let's say support is very good, product is bad, but support is very good. Okay, how likely you recommend a product to friend and family? So poor product, so I'm not going to recommend it, so that's why I have given 1 rating. Now what features do you value the most in our product? Okay, so suppose design is very good, but product was not good, so I'm going to select the design and let's click on next. and here it is showing the image which we have generated and how satisfied are you with the overall experience with our product. So let me give 1-star rating. Okay, so thank you for your feedback. So in this way you can share it with anyone and they can participate in this survey very easily. So let me participate in this survey one more time, and after that I will show you other features. Okay, overall quality 2, value for money average, support excellent, how likely do you recommend our product, let's say 3, what features do you value the most, design, and overall experience 1 rating. Okay, so I have participated in this survey 2 times so that I can get some summary, and it will help AI to understand the overall quality of the product and service. Okay, so let me go to the summary section, and here as you can see I have participated 2 times, so it is showing 100% completion and 2 people has participated. And here you will get AI summary and actions item that you can improve on your product. Okay, so it will tell you what you can improve on your product based on the feedback of your customers. Next is the result section. Here you can check all the results. As you can see I have participated 2 times, so it is showing 2 submission and answer of all the submissions. As you can see, you can check it from here, and suppose if you want to ask any question based on the responses, then you can ask your question. Just go to result section and click on Noodlebot and ask your question here. So suppose let's see, are users satisfied with support? So I hope you remember I have participated in this survey 2 times, and in both times I have given 10 out of 10 for customer service. It means that customer support is awesome based on the survey. Okay, so as you can see it has given the exact answer based on the responses to the questions about support. User are expressing high satisfaction. The rating range around a score of 10, indicating positive experience with the support provided. So as you can see, in this way you can ask questions based on your survey and you can get the answer. It will analyze all the survey answer, then it will give you the answer based on the responses you have received so far. And suppose if you want to generate the report based on the responses, then you can click on generate report, and here is the info section. Here you can change the title, your description if you want, and there is some other things. Let me show you. Here you can select the survey type like standard, feedback, poll. So suppose if you want to track the survey sentiment over time, then you can enable this one. And suppose if you want to end this survey on a particular date, then you can select the expire date from here. And next is how often can people take this survey. So suppose if you want that if anyone has participated in this survey, then he can participate again after 15 minutes or half hour or hourly, or if you want that they can participate daily, they can participate in this survey daily, then you can select daily option. And if you want that they can participate in this survey only one time, okay, then you can select the ones from here. And you can connect Google Sheets here if you want Google integration feature. Okay, so as you can see, if you will go to dashboard, then here you can check all the surveys you have created, and you can create a new survey by clicking on this button. So I hope now you understood how to use Survey Noodles. So Survey Noodle is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. You can claim its lifetime deal for just $59. Link is in the video description. Just go and check it out. And I want to tell you that pricing is going to increase after 7th October. So if you are watching this video after 7th October, then this pricing will be maybe $69, $79. I don't have any idea. So if you want to save money, then grab it before 7th October to get it at just $59. And I want to tell you one more thing, that if you are watching this video on 4th October, then you are going to get 10% additional discount. When you will click on buy now button, then it will give you 10% additional discount automatically because AppSumo is currently celebrating AppSumo Taco Day. So you don't need to do anything. Just click on the link given in the video description. And if you are watching this video on 4th October and you will click on the link on the 4th October, then you will get 10% additional discount. And suppose if you miss this 10% off deal, then also you can get it for $59 before 7th October, because after 7th October pricing will be increased. Okay, so if you want to support my YouTube channel, then please use the link given in the video description to purchase the Survey Noodles or any other AppSumo deal of your choice. So it will only help me to create more helpful AppSumo deal reviews videos like this. I hope you found this SurveyNoodle's review video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.